Hello there. I'm going to show you how to apply transdermal and topical medications with TICKER, an accurate and easy way to use a metered applicator. Let's get started. First, gently pull off the cap and set it on a flat surface. If this is your first time using TICKER pen, you'll need to prime it. Just turn the base to the right until the medication starts to appear at the top. Once you see it, stop turning and wipe off any excess. Your TICKER applicator is now primed. Next, click the prescribed dose by turning the base to the right. For my regimen, I will dial 10 clicks, which dispenses 0.5 milliliters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clicks. Wait about 30 seconds until all the medication collects at the top. Now apply the medication by rubbing it to the body areas as recommended by your doctor or pharmacist. Keep rubbing until it's fully absorbed and disappears. And avoid showering or exercising for at least 4 hours after applying. Finally, pop the cap back on and store away from light and excessive moisture. If you're traveling, be aware that changes in air pressure during flights may cause the product to leak. To prevent spills, place the dispenser in a sealed plastic bag. Thanks for watching and choosing TICKER for your accurate dispensing needs.